Hey guys, just a little update on the Model A here. Got a couple more layers on this side. Just need a little bit of a filler mat in there. Get her a bit more smooth. Got a couple layers on the go on this side here. Still needs 3 or 4 more. Did the same thing I did on the other side and kind of continued that steel all the way down. Spot welded it and then stitched it all together, top and bottom. Kind of made this piece up here, and then it's going to mold it to the floor. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some kind of a rectangle channel that's going to run like this, and that's what's going to bolt the body to the actual Model A. And then I'm going to continue the fiberglass to box everything in. And next on the list here is I'm going to weld in a plate on here, and then back underneath here on this side it's going to get a plate too. So, and then once again I'll probably just fiberglass over it just to make it look like everything else. Yeah, so she's going, taking a while, but layer after layer. Alright guys, got the metal in there, got a layer of it on. It's got some primer kind of as a guide coat. I still got to sandal the top edge and kind of knock all the hair and stuff that's sticking out off. And yeah, that's kind of what you're looking at here. And got a layer of glass down here too. So yeah, she's coming along pretty good, getting boxed off right nice here. So just got to keep on trucking at it. So this is how much fiberglass I've used so far. So if you're wondering why the videos are coming out pretty slow, it's you got to do a layer and wait and a layer and wait. So it's pretty painstaking, and then I got to filler all this too and smooth it out, which is going to be a nightmare. So I got a whole another 5-gallon pail coming to finish off the floor once I get the strapping in and where I want it, so I can mount the body to the frame. So yeah, all right. So I think that'll be it for this video. Just a little short one here. Can't wait to get this finished and then start cracking on this frame here. Got a lot of parts ordered up for it, so yeah. All right guys, remember I got some merch up. There's a link in the about section of my channel if you want some swag. Got some cool stuff up there. Yeah, and most of all, if you like what you see, stay tuned.